Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc tutorial. This time we talk about uploading videos to Etsy listings on your iPhone or iPad is the same thing. Now keep in mind that the video that you shoot can only be 5 to 15 seconds long, so it can be like a long explanation video or anything like that. You can only put like a quick preview, so keep that in mind unless you have a problem to like upload it. Make sure that it's just within this range. Now, couple of disclaimers at first, or things you should pay attention to. If you just have the Etsy account, you can't start a listing. You have to have a shop set up separately, which is something which you can do easily, but you have to go through the process. And also when it comes to apps, you're not using the orange background Etsy, but you use Etsy Seller, which looks like this. So go ahead and download it and upload the photos that way, or the videos. However, I'm using the Safari version as of right now, which is not really a problem. You can also use it through Safari if you don't want to download any apps. Now the thing is that when you go inside in here, you can edit your listing, and the first section is the photos. You can go ahead and upload like 10 photos. Every one of them is supposed to be different. You have some like tips and like resolutions to go with. However, if you scroll down a bit more, you have a video section. So as I said, you are supposed to make it 5 to 15 seconds long. Now, listings with videos generally convert more and get more like sales and traffic because people want to see your products in action. You can bring the product to life with the video, so it is 100% recommended to do it. Now, the video is not going to feature sound, as you can see it. So yeah, they have like the catchy phrase that your product will do the talking, but of course, just don't pay attention to any like words or anything that you describe there. It's just supposed to be like a quick video showing the product in motion. So that's about it. When it comes to the conditions, you should also make sure that you make it like 1080p or higher. So I guess 4K videos should be good as well. And yeah, that's just all that there is. Like, keep in mind that you only have like 5 to 15 seconds. So you want to make sure that during that time, it is going to be the best thing showcased about your product there. You have like this little blue tab that again says what I said, that you get twice as many orders with videos on the listing. So it's a good idea to keep it there. But if you want to add it, just click on add video. And a few options here, so you can directly import one from the photo library. You can take a video directly using the camera, which is probably not a good idea, because yeah, you're not going to make it as good as a quality. And you can also just choose one from the Files app. So it's up to you to decide. So yeah, it's really that simple. However, if you have the video on your iPhone, just make sure to airdrop it and like somehow share it on your iPad, or you can go through the exact same process on your iPhone as well. So it's up to you to decide, but iPad just has a bigger screen, so I would go for it if you have the option to. But that's about it. That's how you can add a video to your listing on Etsy. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up. Check out Foxtecc educational platform. It's linked below. It's free to join as of right now. We'll see what's gonna get outside of that in the future. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching. We'll catch you guys later in the next video.